Hi again. We'll take a few more compounds that are mentioned or that are asked very commonly as XYZs. Identify compound X, identify this, identify that. We did the calcium, we did calcium oxide quicklime, and we did carbon dioxide in the last episode. Alright, episode 4. Now I'll take up 2-3 more compounds related to calcium, because this entire series is related to calcium, which are asked, and we need to know their properties to know कि क्या है. Okay, first let's focus on, now we finished till quicklime, so let's take up next. What was next in the series? Calcium hydroxide. Now this could be solid or aqueous liquid, whatever. We are not going to distinct. They have the same properties, so we're not going to distinct between them. Calcium hydroxide, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल अगर दिया हो स्लेक लाइम या लाइम वाटर, ये डायरेक्ट ही दे दिया. ये तो ना डायरेक्टली नाम ही दे दिए, तो उसमें पहचानने वाली कोई बात ही नहीं है. दैट स्लेक लाइम इज डन दिस. व्हाट इज दिस कंपाउंड? स्लेक लाइम बोला तो कैल्शियम हाइड्रोक्साइड. नाउ इट कैन बी, दे कैन से इट कैन एग्जिस्ट इन बोथ सॉलिड एंड एक्वस फॉर्म. Oh, there are very few substances which exist like that. So it can exist in solid and aqueous form. Okay, we know whether solid or whether aqueous, it is always white in color. So an aqueous solution of a substance which is white in color. Small hint, could be calcium. Whitewashing, we know, used for whitewashing, we know it is calcium like water. Testing carbon dioxide, we know it's used for testing carbon dioxide. There are simple hints that we've done a lot of times now. Now what else? One important word that can really help you is exothermic. Yeah, evolves heat. We've done this also, but let me revise. जब भी आप लाइम वाटर बनाते हो, रिमेंबर जब हम आप इस ड्रम में पानी में कैल्शियम ऑक्साइड लाइम डाल रहे थे वाटर में, तो व्हाट हैपेंड? अ लॉट ऑफ लाइम वाटर वाज प्रोड्यूस्ड and a lot of heat, excess of heat is produced. So they can say कि हम कुछ बना रहे हैं, we're mixing a powder in water and it produced an excess amount of heat. That's a very big hint that it could be lime water or slaked lime. बहुत चीज़ों में होता है, I know, but excess, like excess, very dangerous amount of heat is one of the compounds is this. 3-4 जगह होता है ऐसे very high amount of heat, but calcium hydroxide is one of the favorites where lot of heat is produced. Okay, what else? White in color, whitewashing, exothermic, basic, of course. This turns blue, litmus, red. It's alkaline in nature. So you'll see a lot of these hints just repeating, because they're all related to calcium and its further products, the compounds further down the line. They'll all be related. White turns blue, litmus, used for whitewashing, testing carbon dioxide. All the hints will be similar, but you'll have to take some, thing from there to understand out of those which one is this. Okay. There is no point doing calcium carbonate by, okay, we can do, okay, very small little things for calcium carbonates and bicarbonates. Most of them will repeat, so I'm not writing them again. Specifically for very specific of those I will write. Rest सारे वही hints रहने वाले. तो additional hints जो है, suppose I take for calcium bicarbonate. इसके लिए additional hints क्या हो सकते हैं? It's soluble in water. One of the very few things of calcium which is soluble in water. It is colorless. solution. It is used for cleansing. Okay, so these are important keywords, phrases that can help you identify कि okay, the given substance could be calcium bicarbonate. Okay, again, I don't want to repeat, it's used for testing carbon dioxide and all that. That remains common. Now, let's take calcium carbonate का तो कुछ भी नया नहीं मिलेगा. Calcium carbonate सब हम कवर कर चुके हैं. Produces carbon dioxide. It produces, अच्छा, maybe we've not done on heating. इसका क्या था? This is, हाँ, we've not done this. This is a new thing. अगर आप कैल्शियम कार्बोनेट लो या मार्बल लो या चॉक लो या कुछ भी लो, किसी भी फॉर्म में लो, but it has to be calcium carbonate. And if you heat it very, very strongly, then what happens is carbon dioxide gas is produced. Okay, so it's a big, it could be other carbonates also, but calcium carbonate is one of the options. It produces carbon dioxide on heating. बाकी कुछ भी न्यू नहीं है, बस वो एग शेल, limestone, this, that, those general names, or used for, you can say they're used for making flooring of houses, or you can say chalk को indirectly बोल देंगे, writing on blackboard. Found as rocks. So these are some few hints which we know exist already. We know them. This is probably one new addition कि अगर इसको heat करते हैं तो carbon dioxide produce होती है. तो it could lead to listen, it can lead to other things also. It could lead to copper carbonate. It could lead to sodium carbonate. It could lead to any carbonate. But this is definitely in the options that you will list down. Okay, so we are done with the 4, 5, 6 calcium and related substances whose identification methodology I have tried to help you with their typical comments वो लोग जो देते हैं. ठीक है, I hope it helps you. Thank you.